We all have lists of things that we want to do, places that we want to visit, dreams that we want to achieve, and fitness goals that we want to hit. And yet we wait for the perfect time to begin. And that perfect time is obviously January 1. But what if I tell you that Jan 1 is the biggest lie ever? I know New Year resolutions sound amazing. January 1 को जिम सबसे ज़्यादा crowded होता है. You will take the membership of the gym, you will pay subscription for health or fitness apps. कुछ दिनों तक you will follow, maybe हफ्ते, maybe some months. But then they will eventually fade away. Because if you think following something for 365 days is very overwhelming for your mind, it will be overwhelming until and unless you do this one thing. Hello, pretty souls. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pankhuri and I am your hype girl. आपका ये साल भी पिछले बाकी सारे सालों जैसा सेम जाएगा अगर आपने अपनी आइडेंटिटी को चेंज नहीं किया. Yes, the only thing that can make or break this year for you is your identity. Identity? What do you mean by that? What I'm actually talking about is who do you identify yourself as? If तुम्हारे mind में ये चीज फिक्स हो चुकी है कि I will identify myself as a lazy person, as someone who doesn't follow their dreams, or someone who says they would do things and then never follow it. If you have that identity in your mind, congratulations, you're not going to be following the list that you've made. This all New Year's Eve, Jan 1, starting fresh, a new year, new page, it's all a big scam. It will force you into thinking कि चलो मेरा पिछला साल खत्म हो गया. It's like a redo, it's a reset for things. But अगर आपने अपना identity और अपनी mindset change ही नहीं की, तो you will still find yourself going back to the same loop. Because भले ही नया साल शुरू हो चुका है, बट आप तो वही इंसान है, आप वही सेम इंसान है जो अपने अलार्म स्नूज करे, आप वही सेम इंसान है जो कहता है कि मैं ये काम करूंगा, बट यू नेवर रियली डू इट. You are the same person who lived all of these years in a trap, and if you think that January 1 will actually make a difference, you are wrong until and unless you change who you think you are. The only thing that can save this year for you and make this year the best year of your life is you to change your identity. If you identify yourself as a lazy person, हो गया काम. आपको अपने कोर एसेंस को बदलना पड़ेगा. अगर आपके माइंड में ये बात फीड हो रखी है कि मैं एक लेजी इंसान हूँ, मैंने अगर कुछ भी सोच लिया, मैं कुछ दिन करूंगा और फिर आगे मुझसे वो काम नहीं होगा, you will never be able to change. You have to literally go deep within your mind and change the very fabric of what your mind is made up of. मैंने अपने have do और be mindset के वीडियो में भी ये बात कही थी कि हम सब वेट कर रहे हैं कि एक तारीख का. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी ऑल वर वेटिंग फॉर Jan 1 की Jan 1 को मैं जिम जाऊंगी, या मैं मैराथन के लिए प्रिपेयर करूंगी, या मैं हेल्दी खाना Jan 1 से स्टार्ट करूंगी. This is, you are waiting to have something, you're waiting to have that date कि इस date पे मैं ये start करूंगी, but you will not be able to follow, and your schedule and everything is because you have not changed who you are. You have to be the person first. You have to tell yourself that I'm a highly motivated, highly dedicated, whatever I say I do, only then you will be able to achieve all the things that you have in your mind. Only then you will see a difference in your life. Otherwise, you will fall in the same loop just like you did last year. Identity change करना कोई एक रात की बात नहीं है. It will take deliberate time, effort and energy for you to really change who you think you are, because deep subconscious mind में you are programmed. And who does that programming? Maybe you, maybe the society you live in, maybe your parents, your friends. If somebody tells you you're not good at so and so things, you understand it to be true. That's how we all are being programmed, and we live in this society where everyone is telling us something about ourselves. For you to bring a change in your life and live the life of your dreams, you need to rewire everything that's been fed here. You have to tell yourself, I am the one who's going to decide what's true and what's not. I used to set alarms कि I will wake up at 4 a.m. During COVID, I used to do that. I used to wake up at 4 a.m. There was a list of me with every date कि मैं 4 o'clock उठी हूँ, 3:45, 3:55, 4:15. धीरे धीरे, if you would see, I only followed it for like 10-15 days. आगे मुझसे नहीं हुआ because in my mind I was still a lazy person. In my mind, waking up at 5 or 4 in the morning meant crazy. Like it was something out of the box for me, but I still followed it only for some days. Why? Because my identity told me like, this is not you, Pankaj. You love to sleep. and you should sleep more. Guess what? I was not able to follow it for more than 10-15 days. If you sit down and analyze your life about what all you have done in the past and what do you plan on doing in the future, you would see the pattern. You would see how identity plays an important role. If you cannot see yourself as a millionaire, you will not take steps for that. If you do not see yourself as a healthy person, every time you try to eat a salad, your brain would tell you, hey, that's not you. Every time you try to wake up early in the morning, your brain would tell you, hey, that's not you. So you are basically forcing and fighting against your own identity, and that fighting causes friction, and that is why most people fall off. They're not able to complete their goals, they're not able to follow the schedule that they have made for themselves. Why? Because there's this constant tiff going on between your old identity and the person you actually want to become. So now how do you work on removing that difference between these two, or how do you completely forget the old identity that you've made up in your mind? The easiest way to change your identity, for me, what really worked was affirmations. Now, what affirmations are, these are guided statements that will help you think positively about your life and positively about situations. Now, why they work is because your mind and your ears, they constantly hear things from a negative point of view. You're not good at this, you're not good at that, ये मत करो, तुमसे नहीं होगा, तुमने try किया था, you failed, right? So don't try it again. This is what the society tells us, or this is what you keep on hearing. Even your inner voice tells you that. Your inner voice will never tell you, yes, you can do it, or fail ho gaye to kya hua, try again. Your mind will not do that because your brain is trying to protect you from any sort of dangers. So stepping out of your comfort zone and doing things that do not feel normal to you sometimes signal danger to your mind, and that is why, again, that is another reason why a lot of people are not able to follow what they said they would. Because सुबह 5 बजे उठना, your mind would think, यार, this is something dangerous. We should not be waking up at 5 in the morning. This is dangerous. This is something new. हमें इसकी आदत नहीं है. It's not familiar to us. Let's make them snooze the button, and that is what causes the entire loop of you not being able to do things that you wanted to do. Now, talking about affirmations, what they do is they literally guide your mind towards thinking positively. So if your mind tells you that I'm not good enough, what you will tell yourself is, I am enough. I am good enough for anything that I try. I will do my best. You keep talking to yourself in a positive state, from a positive point of view. Yes, it will take time. Affirmations don't work overnight, but they do work. And when they do, you would see an entire shift in your identity. And that is what will make you easier to follow your dreams and follow all the goals. I literally have a lot of affirmations that I've written down. Now, let me read it out to you. For example, if you're someone who finds it difficult to be disciplined, something that you can tell yourself every day is that I honor my commitments. Discipline supports my dreams. I choose consistency over perfection. I build habits that serve me. I stay focused on my principles. Self discipline feels empowering. I trust my ability to stay on track. Now, if you repeat these affirmations daily, at first your mind would be like, क्या बोल रही है, क्यों बोल रही है, सब झूठ है, ऐसा तो है ही नहीं, सच तो है ही नहीं ये बातें, because your mind knows it's not the truth. But जस्ट इमेजिन, अगर आपने इतने सालों तक सोसाइटी की सारी बातों को सुन के वही आपके माइंड में बैठ चुका है, एंड दैट हैज नाउ बिकम योर आइडेंटिटी, why can't you rewire it? Why can't you change everything that you've known about yourself? Why can't you tell yourself good things, and slowly and gradually that will eventually change you and eventually change the identity that you own. Now, another set of affirmations that I really like is self-love, which goes like, I'm worthy of love exactly as I am. I treat myself with kindness and compassion. I choose to love myself more each day. I'm learning to be gentle with myself. My imperfections make me beautifully unique. I speak to myself with love and respect. Now, when your mind hears this, from your own voice, slowly and gradually, you will start believing in it. Now, I would recommend you to repeat at least 5 to 10 affirmations. Write it down. Writing down also makes it better, is because you're seeing yourself write it down. When you write it down, you can say it out loud so that your mind and your ears also listen. Things go into your mind. I want you to talk to yourself positively, because Of course, the world talks to us negatively. Anywhere you see, negativity is so easy to find. Anywhere you see, anyone can come up to you and tell you, hey, you are not good enough. Anyone can come up to you and tell you that तुझसे नहीं होगा, तू रहने दे. But if you just keep listening to them, that's what your identity will be. So I have made it a mission to talk to myself in the best and the most positive way I can ever talk to myself. I tell myself I'm beautiful, I'm smart, I'm confident. I might not be good at this now, but I will work on it. So when my mind hears that this person is going to work on this particular skill that she's not good at, my mind would automatically start finding reasons or start finding opportunities for me to be able to practice that. And this is how my entire identity has shifted in the past few years. I have grown so beautifully, so magically, and it all feels like a dream that the person that I am sitting here talking to you was not the same person I was 5 years ago. I have literally worked and rewired my brain into making myself this person I am today. And if I can do it, you can surely do. That's what I'm here for. That's what this entire channel and this entire community is for. I want each and every one of my subscribers to level up and live the life of their dreams. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you love this video, do give it a like, and I would be really happy if you started practicing affirmations every single day. Just do it for some weeks and some months and watch your life change. I promise it. Please subscribe if you haven't, because I will be posting videos consistently leveling up myself and helping you all level up too. See you in the next video. Bye bye.